Justin Kenner, race director for the Nightcrawler. A group of us from Casper here had talked about trying to host the first Ultramarathon in Casper, and we were trying to piecemeal a course together, and kind of just died off. And then I was like, well, you know, I went and did a similar event, 12-hour event down in Colorado, and that's what kind of sparked the idea for doing it up here, doing an 8-mile loop and going for 12 hours. So
how long have you been doing it for?
This is the 4th year.
We are at the Nightcrawler Endurance Challenge up on top of Casper Mountain. This is a 12-hour endurance challenge, so it's an 8-mile loop, and you basically run from 6:30 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. See how many laps you can get in, how many miles.
Jeremy dragged me up here. It's not my choice to be here.
We're gonna be psychopaths, and we're gonna try and run 50 miles.
50 each?
That's the goal.
50 each is the goal. I'm gonna be happy with 32. 32 is like official ultramarathon. And then from there, I'm just gonna see if I have it in me to get 50.
I've never done a half marathon or a full marathon. You've done a half,
I've
right?
done a half, but I've never done a full.
But we've watched enough documentaries and read enough articles. We should be okay. I got Dalton. Here, I'll show Dalton. We got Dalton running the camera at the start-finish line, and then I'm gonna bring the GoPro out on the trail with us and document anything that happens out there. It's a long 12 hours, so you ready to suffer, dude?
I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I got a good 30-minute nap last night, so that's all I need to run 12 hours.
All right. All right, we're coming up on our first 4 miles. We're feeling pretty good so far.
Just under 45 minutes.
There's an aid station at the 4-mile mark. So we're gonna stop there and fuel up a little bit, take a second to walk. So it's starting to get dark already. Our first lap should be in the daylight, and then the last 5 laps are probably going to be in the dark. So I'll just add another element to the suck of this. We're going deep into the pain cave tonight, I think. But that's what we're here for. Nice.
Woo! You're almost a...
What's up?
Oh,
I felt pretty good. I'm gonna go refill.
not terrible. Legs are sore, spirits are high.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good quote.
Great quote.
Great quote.
I'm gonna go fill this up. So we just finished up our first 8 miles. And we're feeling pretty good. We're way ahead of pace. We're shooting for about a 12:30 pace. And that was about 10:30, 11 minutes, so good that we came in sooner, but we gotta slow it down just a touch if we want to last all night.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of chocolate milk.
This is the secret right here, boys. Silk almond, dark chocolate, official race drink of the Nightcrawler.
You heard it here first. What is that?
Massage gun, baby.
Holy shit.
Oh yeah.
What are you massaging?
My sciatic nerve is getting a little tight up in there.
Yeah.
So we're gonna work it out.
Work it out. Wayne, what is this one called?
This is the sore inner thigh.
Okay.
Roll out stretch.
Is that trademark?
Yeah, I made it up myself.
Nice.
Now we go this way.
Ready for round 2?
We're ready for round 2. We should be back at about 10 o'clock-ish, maybe a little sooner.
Good job.
We just hit 10 miles. We're still feeling pretty good.
Jeremy's feeling good.
I say I'm feeling good, but
Struggling a little bit.
we're still keeping a good pace. I don't know if you can see me whatsoever. It's dark out here. It's a little bit different running in the nighttime with a headlamp, but we're moving, so that's all that matters.
71. Welcome back. Thank you. Just water?
Yes, please.
Are you GoProing me right now?
Oh, if you don't mind.
No. Just chewing the sandwich.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. Let's go.
Thank you, guys. We're thinking this third loop is where it's gonna really start sucking. But we're about almost 3 hours into this thing, and we've survived so far. We are currently in the middle of what you would call the suck.
Well, you two are doing great. It's like we're on a scary
Blair
movie.
Witch.
We're on Blair Witch.
Well, that loop was significantly
Just
harder.
right?
My sciatic nerve is really feeling it right now. Can somebody go put water in there for me? Hip is killing me right now. For a second. I need some salt, Adams. I'm so salty.
Lower back is killing me.
All right.
Does not feel good. Feel good right now.
Do you need anything?
No, thank you. Oh, good.
This is the suck.
This is the I'm done break.
Wayne and I have had this thing for the last few weeks of if it sucks, we must do it. And this definitely sucks. So that's why we're doing it.
He's a cult
What
leader.
is that guy's name?
Jeremy is very charismatic. Yeah, how did he convince you to do this?
He said, hey, you want to run 50 miles? I said, of course. Why wouldn't I?
So my nutrition here, we got the Tailwind, which I'm drinking. And then I'm eating goos like every 4 miles. Yogurt, granola. It feels better while I'm running versus walking, because we'd run a mile then walk for like 2 minutes,
Mm-hmm.
and it feels better while we're running for some reason. Like, you ready? Let's go.
I have to be.
All right, we'll be back,
Hey guys.
and I don't know, it's gonna hurt, but we'll be back.
Nice catch.
All right, good luck.
Let me have that banana.
I thought you ate the banana.
We'll cut it. We'll make it look like you
I'll just take
didn't
like
come back for a banana.
You're not gonna care about banana peel.
just one off. Okay. See you soon.
Bye.
We're feeling it now for sure. Can I do some ginger ale, please? How are we doing, Wayne?
Not good, man. I'm not doing good. Really bad.
It's 11 o'clock right now. 20 miles in. I'm about a 5 out of 10.
I'm like a 2.
Oh. We're doing good. We're ahead of our pace by about 15-20 minutes.
Gosh, look at Wayne do his thing.
My lower back is just killing me. It gets so tight, and then it causes a bunch of pain in my hips. And then my like whole back of my pelvis is just in major pain. Not good when I go down hills. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we are deep into the suck zone, the pain cave.
Deep into the suck.
This is where we see the legs feed the wolf.
What does that even mean?
So we'll hit 32 after this lap.
You may have to drop me going into this lap.
No way, man.
I don't think I have a chance to hit 50, but I have a chance to hit 32. Yeah, just my lower back.
Right there?
Yeah, right there. Oh my god, you got the spot right there.
You want it higher?
No, that's perfect. Yeah, oh yeah, like higher, yeah.
More.
Yeah, give me the
Full blast.
Man. Dig it in there.
Alright, when we come back, we will be ultra marathoners technically. And that'll be my first marathon. Alright, we are taking off on lap number 4. See you. It's 12:15 a.m. right now. We'll see you around 2:15 a.m. We're still about 15 minutes ahead of pace, but that may change. We'll see. All right. We are coming up to 8th station on the 28th mile.
How you feeling?
Ooh, legs are bricks right now. But hey, we made it to ultra marathon, so
Marathon boy.
can someone put new batteries in this, please?
My kiddo, where are the batteries at?
At like 29 miles, you made me leave him. Somebody please.
If you will.
This next lap is gonna suck, cause
This is a hard one.
yeah, and I think I'll be by myself.
That's all you got? That's A-okay. You
Heck yeah, baby.
Yeah, I thought you were way further behind. I would. We are suffering.
Well, yeah, you're like just like deteriorating, and it's like you guys are doing great, but it's also like sad. Yeah.
I don't know, it's just all mental now. Like, my legs are just gonzo. It's just a matter of,
Do they feel like numb?
like, they just feel like they weigh 76 pounds apiece.
That's actually probably like an accurate representation.
I think I may be solo from now on. Wayne, he pushed through. We both made it to ultra marathon distance. I think he's gonna take a lap off. Hopefully come back for lap 6.
These are just fun to get. Oh, and they're just very good stretches.
My arches in my feet. I should just run barefoot.
I think about it. There we go.
You coming, bro? Howdy, boy.
Sorry, man.
Get ready for lap 6.
Alright, good luck. You get
40
out there.
miles coming in hot.
Alright, Jeremy, see you, I guess, when you come back.
It's a little bit different out here running in the dark by yourself, but my whole body's at the point where it's just, everything's tight, everything hurts. So it's just a mental game now. Push through, keep my feet moving, get to the next mile, get to the next aid station, and I'll see you soon. How's it going?
How are you?
Oh, doing pretty good.
What lap you on?
This is my 5th. Heading back down. Grab some watermelon and some grapes and some ginger ale. I'm honestly not hungry. Like, fruit is the only thing that sounds decent. I've been going for like 9 hours and I'm just not hungry. It's so strange. But we're moving, the legs are moving. We'll see you in about 4 miles. So coming around on those last 8 miles, my knee was just shot on fire. I don't know what happened, probably hyperextended it or something. So there's a little 1 mile loop that opens at 5 a.m. So I'm just gonna hang out till then and then walk/run that, depending on how my knee feels. I'm at 40 miles right now. Probably won't be able to hit 50, but it's been fun though. Feels good.
Yeah,
It hurts so good.
You 40?
Yeah, my knee like blew up on the last 4 miles, so like every step is just killing me. It was fun. How many miles did you do?
I got 32 miles
Nice.
for
I thought you were just gonna go
an
for
actual ultra.
Alright, let's go walk and we'll see you guys at 6:30 for our last little check-in.
Keep us out of it.
You don't want to be in it?
No. No.
So that is the end of the Nightcrawler Endurance Challenge. I hit 43.66 miles. Unfortunately, I did not hit my goal of 50 miles, but it was a lot of fun. I learned a lot of things. I learned that your body can do way more than you think. It's all mental, for sure. If you can push through it, you can do way more than you think you're capable of. Shout out to Wayne for going with me for 32 miles. I wish he could have finished it with me. Thanks to Justin Kinner for putting on a sick race event. It was a lot of fun. Thanks to Dalton for being the camera guy.
Anytime.
And Bree and Andy and my mom and Ashlyn for all showing up to help provide moral support. Probably gonna go nap the rest of the day because everything hurts right now. But yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.
Do like a finger gun too. There you go.